Good morning, students. Today we are going to see second chapter from first unit. Okay, it is odd one in. So, students, you have heard about the concept or questions on odd one out. So, what we do in that? If there is a group of 4 or 5 things, okay, and we have to pick up one which is odd in that. So what we do in that, we find that thing which is not same as that of others in that group, and then we find that yes, that is odd one out. So but in this lesson, what is it? Odd one in. So it is different. Okay, so let's see what is in this story. Okay, this chapter or story is written by Tithi Tavora. Okay, from this lesson we will learn to be friendly, helpful and respectful to others. Okay, and not to judge external appearance of anyone. And third, we will learn importance of inner beauty. Okay, so students, this is a story of two girls, Malti and Rima. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, here is Malti and here is Rima. Okay, Rima is a fashionable girl. Okay, and Malti is exactly opposite. Okay, she is very simple. Rima has lived in a city and Malti has come from village. So Malti is a small town girl. Okay, they both have their strengths and weaknesses. So let's see what we learn from this chapter. Okay, so this chapter starts with the incident of that Rima and her family is having dinner and discussing about their day out. So let's start. How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. Okay, so Rima and her family was having dinner. Okay, and her mother asked her how was the first day of school. So students, we also while having a dinner discuss some things about our day out. Okay, about what we have done in a day. So in the same manner, Rima's mother is also asking Rima about first day of her school. So let's see what Rima says. Okay, Rima shrugged. No lessons, just settling in. So, shrug means raise the shoulders slightly to indicate doubt, ignorance, or disinterest. So, Rima shrugged means Rima gives reply with ignorance. Okay, she said, okay, there were no lessons, just settling in. Settling in means moving to a new place and becoming comfortable there. So whenever we go in a new class, okay, we just get alerted with our bench, okay, and we just introduce ourselves with all the classmates. Okay, so Rima told that to her mother. Any new girls in your class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. So Rima's father, Mr. Sen, inquired her that, is there any new admission in your class? As he only asked about a new girl, I think it is a school of only girls. Okay. Only one, Malti, and she is funny, grimaced Rima as she helped herself to the salad. Okay, so Rima said that yes, there is one new admission whose name is Malti and she is funny. So Rima found her funny. Okay. So grimaced means made an ugly expression with the face to show pain or disgust. So I think Rima didn't like Malti. Okay. So while having salad, she replied to her father. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. So Mr. Sen asked her that why are you saying like that? Okay, why are you saying that she's funny? She can't speak much English. She has come from another state, sniffed Rima, naming at one at the other end of the country. Okay, so Rima sniffed means spoke without interest. Okay, so Rima is not interested in Malti, but her parents were asking some questions to her. That's why she just replying that. So she said that she can't speak much English. Her English is very poor. Okay. She has come from another state and she is not from our state. She is from another state which is at the other end of the country. So let's see what her father says about it. Oh, children from that state are supposed to be clever. So Mr. Sen, I think, knows that state. Okay, so he told her that children from that state are very clever. They are specially good at maths, said Mr. Sen quietly. Okay, so he said that they are specially good at maths. Maths is their favorite subject. Okay. Well, this one does not seem smart at all. Oily hair, bindi, and all. Good morning, teacher, mimicked Rima. So, but Rima said that even if she is good in maths, then there is nothing use of that. Okay, this one does not seem smart at all. So, Rima doesn't find her smart. Okay, as Rima sees that she is with oily hair, she bears bindi and all. So overall, Malti has oily hair. Okay, she bears bindi on her forehead. Okay, and also she wears a long skirt. So according to Rima, it is not a smart thing. Okay, and also she mimicked Malti. Okay, good morning, teacher. So I think Malti is not saying good morning, but she is saying good morning, teacher. So mimicked means imitate in an unkind or disrespectful way. Okay. Her parents exchanged glances. Okay, so her parents were looked at each other. Okay, exchange glances means they looked each other. Rima was their only child. They doted on her, but she could be insufferable at times. Okay, so Rima was their only child. Okay, doted on means feel and show great love for someone. Okay, so as she was their only child, she was very pampered. Okay, she was, and due to that, she became very arrogant. Okay, she feels like only she is superior. Okay, and all others are not good. Okay, only she is smart and all other are dumb. So they doted on her. Okay, they centralize their all focus on her. Okay, but she could be insufferable at times. Okay, insufferable means extremely annoying and unpleasant. Okay, so they are unable to tolerate her. Okay. I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti, sighed Mr. Sen as he rose from the table. So, as Mr. Sen's dinner was over, okay, she was going from the table. Okay, so while rising from the table, what she told to Malti, that I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti. So, after listening to Rima, Mr. Sen thought that she will make things difficult for Malti, okay, or she will trouble Malti. So he told her that uh, that you don't trouble Malti, okay, and she gone from the table, okay. Rima and her gang had decided to do just that, okay. So Rima and her gang means her friends, okay, group of friends, had decided to do just that. So they have decided to make fun of Malti, okay. So in some schools or colleges also, okay, some senior students, okay, dragging of new students, okay, they make fun of the new students, okay, they give some tasks to the new students, okay, to make them unhappy or uncomfortable, okay. So in this class also, Rima and her gang has decided to trouble Malti, okay, to make fun of Malti. Next morning, the minute Malti entered the class, they all chorused, "Good morning." So, chorus means many people saying the same thing together at the same time. Okay. So, when teacher came to your class, then you chorus. Okay. You say good morning. Okay. So, in the same way, Rima and her gang chorus, okay, when Malti entered the class, that good morning. So they have told just like the Malti, okay. They mimicked Malti. Poor Malti. She did not realize that they were making fun of her. Okay, so they were making fun of Malti, okay, but Malti didn't realize that they were making fun of her, because she thought that she is getting new friends, okay, as they are speaking to her, they are greeting her with good morning. She thought that, yeah, we will get new, I will get new friends, okay. So she was happy. She beamed back at them and replied, "Good morning." So, beamed means smiled happily. So, she smiled and she beamed back at them and replied, "Good morning." Okay. So, in the next video, we will see.